Hello viewer, this is Joyous Learning Center and we are here to revive your God-given potential upon achieving your goals. And in this case we have a lesson of mathematics, a continuation of a trigonometric ratio question that we did on the previous video. This is now an application question to help you understand how to apply the trigonometric ratios we did on the previous video. Without using mathematical table or a calculator, evaluate sine 30 degrees minus sine 60 degrees over tan 60 degrees. This is a question that requires you to know how to apply trigonometric ratios. And just to remind you, there are various things that we needed to do or you need to understand before you tackle this question. One thing, the trigonometric ratios of common angles, just to remind you, we did it there previously, but I can remind you, so it went like this. We have common angles of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. On this particular one, we have to get the sine of an angle, and I can remind you in a very fast way so that we go together. We have cos theta, and then we have tan theta. Very fast, I want to remind you on how you can tackle these things and this particular question in a very simple way and without much ado. On the column of sine, you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On each of them, get the square root, the square root, the square root, the square root, the square root. Then divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. You'll have gotten the ratios of sine of these angles. For the cos, reverse the situation. 3, 2, 1, 0. Do the same, square root. Then divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Yes, and on tan, don't bother. It's as simple as this. What you need to do, just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the square root of each of them. And then write over 4. Reverse the trend. 3, 2, 1, and 0. And as we did, get the square root of each of these. Get the square root of each of these. And I tell you, this one will give you the ratio of the tan of these angles. Like, I can help you here. This is 0 divided by 4 is 0. 1 over this, it will be equal to 1 over root 3. This one will be equal to 1 because root goes. This will be equal to root 3. This one will be a not defined number. Not defined. We don't know this number. A number divided by 0, we don't know it. So with this one, it gives you now the clues of this. So what you need to do, we have sine 30. Sine 30 is a half. So you come and write a half minus sine 60. Sine 60, we have sine 60 being root 3 over 2. All over tan 60. Where is tan 60? Here. We have root 3. This one now gives you an open or an eye opener that this is a SAD, and in maybe the future series we shall help you how to do it. But for the moment, let me work it out very fast so that you understand the concept of trigonometric. I think this has been done, and let me finish. When you have the numerator here, we have the common denominator as 2. So the LCM is 2, 2 and 2. So it shall say 1 minus root 3. Of course, it's all being divided by root 3. And simplifying this, we shall have 1 minus root 3 over 2 times 1 over root 3. This one will mean that we have 1 minus root 3 over 2 times root 3. This will give you a continuation of 1 minus root 3. We have to simplify this third expression by multiplying what we have in the denominator in the numerator, 2 root 3, and the same thing we do it 2 root 3. This gives us 2 root 3, because 1 times this, then this one will be root of a number times root of a number is equal to that number. So root 3 times root 3 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So all over, this one will be the same as 2 times root 3 times 2 times root 3. A root and a root goes, so it shall have 4 times 3, which is 12. You can see, you can still be able to factor out this, so you shall have 2 into root 3 minus 3 all over 12. So you can cancel out, simplify this. This one is equal to 6. So we shall have root 3 minus 3 over 6. This is the answer to this question. So realize that the application question of this one that demanded your trigonometric ratios was just up to simplifying it. The other work demands that you understand the surds, the concept of surds, and this is what the answer shall be. Thank you. Continue reviving your God-given potential as we meet in our next video.